This is Pastor Akeem Brett of Save to Serve in Orlando, and I would like to invite you to a special event that you cannot afford to miss. I'll have my wife share the details with you right now.
We will be having Save to Serve Orlando's very first free plant-based cooking class right here at 5232 South Orange Avenue, where you can experience not only healthy meals, but also delicious ones. Radisha, what else can we expect?
We will be having cooking demonstrations for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you will get to sample each of these. Don't forget to invite your friends and family to this free event.
Oh, hey, great, you guys are still here. We wanted to just also let you know, not only are we having these cooking demonstrations, but we are also gonna be sharing with you, get this, life-altering presentations, where you're gonna have the opportunity to discover the 8 natural remedies that help us to overcome sickness and disease. If you would like to know more about this, you had better not miss this.
Remember, join us this Sunday, September 7th at Save to Serve Orlando, 5232 South Orange Avenue. Bring family and bring friends. Oh, and it's a free event. Come on.
See you there!